Hello everyone, welcome to TOBBCAST YouTube channel. Today we're going to answer your questions with Eymen.
Hello everyone. We're going to be doing some questions for each other. I think it'll be fun. Alright, so you go first.
Okay, my first question is, how old would you be if you didn't know how old you are?
How old? Ooh, I think I'd be like 75 or something. I feel old. I really don't feel... I mean, not in a intellectual kind of way, but I feel old as in my time has passed.
Yeah, I feel like I'm old too. I'm an old someone who has 80 years old person's soul in a 15 years old body.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
This is not good.
All right.
By the way.
Definitely not good, but I mean, it is what it is. All right. How I Met Your Mother is an overrated sitcom. Convince me it is not.
I don't know how to do that. I think How I Met Your Mother is a really good series, guys. It's really funny and it's really good. You can enjoy that. But I like to add something to this. I love How I Met Your Mother, but I don't like How I Met Your Mother fans that much because they can be toxic. Maybe it is the reason that you don't like How I Met Your Mother. I don't know. But I think you're going to love that because there's some epic characters in the show, such as Barney.
Agreed.
I recommend you to watch that show. But I recommend you to watch Friends. Don't forget to watch it. Okay, my next question. What is one activity that life would be meaningless if you couldn't do before getting old?
Ooh, I couldn't do. Having a driver's license. I want to. I mean, I really like cars. I do. It's one of my favorite things, and I have never driven a car before, and I want to do that. I have a racing sim at home, and I think I want to do some kind of racing when I'm over 18. So yeah, I think that life would be kind of meaningless without that.
I love cars too, but I'm not kind of person who wants to drive the car. I'm the person who can sit next to driver.
Princess,
yes,
yeah.
Passenger.
Yeah.
Yes, and set the songs.
Yeah.
Kind of stuff.
Personal DJ. Yeah. So, my question: which teacher would you like to swap places for one day?
This question may be asked before in one of our episodes, and not to me, by the way. But let me think. My answer would be F-side teacher, probably, because she is really great person. I love her so much. She's a really great person. But I also like to see how Mesut teaches life for one day. I love him too, and I think he's a really nice man.
Yeah. All right.
I love him.
Good answer.
If you could only speak one word, what would it be?
One word. This is, I don't know. Yeah. Oh wait, the one word though, not even
It's
one
a whole
sentence.
sentence.
Yeah. What? I just keep asking what over and over again, I guess.
Really?
I don't know. Yes seems bad because if you say yes to everything, then your life is not going to be good. And if you say no to everything, that's not going to be good either. So
But
maybe. Or
yeah, maybe
maybe.
is a good answer.
Yeah.
I said I'd be surprised because I kind of get annoyed by the people who keep saying what.
Yeah, true.
Constantly.
Yeah, I mean, like, you kind of want to keep the conversation going in a sense if you can only say one word, because if you bring it to an end, that's going to be problematic for you. So I guess maybe would be good.
Yes.
Yeah.
It would be funny for the person who talks to you at the moment.
Yeah, I mean, one word you're not going to be able to do much, but I guess in terms of, doing the most you can, maybe is a good answer, yeah.
if you could get rid of the one thing in your life, what would it be?
Ooh, it's tough. Get rid. Does it have to be something physical, or can it be like in my mind, like mental?
No, it has to be physical.
Ooh, I don't like the carpet.
Really?
In my room. I don't like my carpet. I'll get rid of the carpet. It's fine. It's fine.
Are you talking about carpets generally, or?
No, the carpet in my room. I hate it. No. Yeah.
You get many carpet.
Yeah, I need a carpet. If you have one, contact me. I don't know where. Contact me.
But
Yeah.
I don't know what would you expect from a carpet.
I mean, it just looks like vomit. I don't know. I expect it to not look like vomit.
Okay. Maybe you would like to have something with cars.
That seems kind of too childish, but funny at the same time.
Yeah.
So maybe, you know, again, contact me. Right. If being an adult means being experienced, why do the adults always make mistakes?
Wow, who asked this question?
I don't even know the answer to this one, so honestly, yeah.
I don't know, but you know, you hear so many things from the people around you, but when it comes to you, you know it's going to end bad, but you still do what you want to.
Yeah.
And after you experience something, not anyone else, you be maybe more, I don't know, more conscious about your behaviors or what you're doing. But I don't know, this is a really hard question. You know, I can't say one specific answer for this question. It was hard. I'm asking your question. What's the most useless advice you've ever gotten?